हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम विवेक कुमार सिंह है और आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। आज हम आप लोगों को एक बहुत ही सिंपल और कॉमन चीज़ बताने जा रहे हैं, जिसमें आप लोगों के पास में बहुत सारे ऐसे डेटा आते होंगे जिसमें फर्स्ट नेम कैंडिडेट का लिखा हुआ है, सेकंड कॉलम में सेकंड नेम लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन आपको उन दोनों को एक ही कॉलम में लिखना है। से फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट नेम इज़ नैन्सी, लास्ट नेम इज स्मिथ। अभी हम इसमें दो तरीके से देखेंगे, लास्ट नेम कॉमा फर्स्ट नेम चाहिए या फुल नेम दैट इज़ नैन्सी प्लस स्मिथ चाहिए। तो चलिए देखते हैं। आप लोग के लिए मैंने फार्मूला यूज जो है वो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, जो फार्मूला मैं यूज़ करूँगा। सो लेट्स सी दिस, वी नीड लास्ट नेम कॉमा फर्स्ट नेम। ओके, सो फॉर दैट लास्ट नेम दैट इज, सी दिस इज D3 and what else we need? So and now comma is needed. So anything if we write, we have to put it in semicolon, because if we will not put it, Excel will consider it as a formula, which shouldn't be the case here. We are not putting any formula. See, semicolon open, comma, semicolon close. Again, what else we need? And Nancy. See this, Smith Nancy. Got it? Now second thing is, what if we want to put full name here? So very simple, is equal to Nancy and now see what we have done. We have mentioned a comma in this semicolon, but here instead of writing this comma we can put it blank. I'll tell you the reason. Semicolon closed. Now then Smith, just wait, hold on, and this Smith. Now Nancy Smith, it has shown here. Now what to do here? We do not have any space, so what we can do, we can just go on this. See, in these semicolons we have not given any space, so just give the space and you will find it here. Suppose if you will give two space, you will find it like this. The number of space that you will give, you will get the result. Say for example, if you want to put some middle name, you can put it, say Nancy Indian D3, but here also you will have to give space, Nancy Indian Smith. So putting this Indian out from this, see, because that is not what we were learning. So Nancy Smith, you can simply do this. Again, let's look it faster. For the last name and first name is equal to, last name is this, and means what else, and in semicolon we'll have to put a comma. If we'll put comma, we'll get comma. If we'll put this, we'll get this. If we'll put anything, we'll get that. Semicolon closed. And Andy, North Andy. You see there is a sign that has been given instead of comma. You can do this. Now again let's practice for the full name once again. So full name is Andy and semicolon open, space given, again semicolon closed, and what? North. You see, now you all can drag down this to fill this. So just practice. This file is like something which you can get it very easily. Just go on the file and formula tutorial or welcome on Excel, you will get it here. If you'll go on the formula tutorial, you can get this file downloaded. That is why I'm not sharing this file, but I hope that you all will enjoy this. And very soon I'm coming up with a very fantastic formula, what you all looking for and you all are asking for. Definitely that will give you a fantastic kind of impression among your friends, colleagues, and in your office to impress your boss. So let's enjoy, keep practicing. We'll be back very soon. Thank you so much.